So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If you have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down the 5 really costly and huge mistakes that I made when I began my journey as a seller on eBay. Now, I had the same ambitions that you probably have. You want to make money online, and how did I go make money on eBay? I've always had these fears and I always had these struggles, but for me, fortunately enough, I was able to learn how to grow an eBay business, make around $2,000 a month as a part-time eBay reseller in college, which I'll share with you guys my story. But more importantly, I want you guys to learn from these mistakes that I made so you can start making money faster on your eBay store. So guys, before we jump into this, first off, I want to share a little bit of story and background. Now, I remember I had the ambitions. I was watching people on YouTube. I was learning about how can you make money on eBay. This online business selling on eBay seems so glamorous, but for me, how can I actually make this happen? Now, through a lot of time going out there and trying to research and learning online, I was able to kind of find a model that works for me. So over these past 2 to 3 years, I've been an eBay reseller. So basically, I've been going to thrift stores, buying things, and then reselling them and flipping them on eBay. Now, at first, I made some really costly mistakes. When you're first getting started, it can be very confusing. You don't know what to sell. You don't know how to make money on eBay. You don't know how to actually run this eBay business. So guys, I just want to break down the 5 biggest mistakes that I made so it can really just jumpstart your career or your path of growing an eBay business. So guys, now I want to jump into the first very big mistake that I made that I wish I never did when I first started selling on eBay, but I was confused. I didn't know how to handle shipping, and I made a very big mistake. Not only was this costly, but it could have saved me a lot of time growing my eBay business, and that was not charging for shipping. Now, for me, I heard so many resellers preaching that in order to make money on eBay, you have to do free shipping. Everyone's saying, hey, if you're drop shipping a product, you can't charge shipping. Amazon Prime is taking over. Who wants to actually pay for shipping in 2021, and even right now? But I kind of fell into this trap. And what I want to say is I wish I began charging calculated shipping when I started selling items on eBay. I was losing so much money, not only shipping, not only like in the product, and overall I was losing money because shipping was taking out so much profits. So what I would recommend is when you're just getting started selling on eBay, it's very important to use calculated shipping. Use this as a safety barrier for you to continue to make money on eBay, because if you're doing all this work and you're not making that much money and you're losing a lot of money when it comes to shipping, then you're not going to be excited to continue selling on eBay. So when you're getting started on eBay, make sure you use calculated shipping. It's going to protect you from losing a lot of money, and more importantly, you're going to still make sales. Don't listen to all that stuff that's out there. And secondly, was a very costly mistake that kind of came down to the way that I ran my eBay business. Now, I had this thought that in order to make money on eBay, it doesn't take that much work. You kind of just sit back, get things posted, and you're going to make money on eBay. But for me, I would have made a lot more money when I first got started if I actually treated it like a business. So what I would say, guys, is when you're starting out selling on eBay, you want to actually use this as an experience that you're trying to run a business. Now, any type of business takes hard work. It takes time to actually go in there, take pictures, edit things. More importantly, the more time that you spend in a business, usually the results are going to be better. So what I would say, a huge mistake that I made was not going in there editing pictures, not trying to send offers to buyers, not trying to communicate with customers, ask them about reviews, and being in my business. Because at the end of the day, I had this thought, if something's sold, then it's not my fault, it's the customer's fault. There's nothing that I can do. I did everything that I could. Why are they not buying the product? It's just maybe it's going to happen over time. Now, for me, after this kind of wore off and I realized, hey, if I want to make more money after spending more time in my business, I began editing listings. I began trying to audit my prices, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't. And this strategy of working in the business, listing as much things I can, continue to edit the current listings that I have, reaching out to buyers, trying to sell things on eBay, instantly and dramatically changed the way that I began making money on eBay. And the huge mistake that I made was basically sitting around and not taking action and trying to grow my eBay business. It takes time, and the more time you put in, the more money that you're going to make on your eBay store. Now, the third huge mistake that I made was not taking the listing portion of eBay very seriously. Now, hear me out on this. For example, I would take pictures with my smartphone. You can take 5, 6 pictures. It didn't matter what the background looked like. I would have a few words in the description, but overall, this eBay listing was not a sexy, appealing listing. And more importantly, everything that I was posting on eBay, the competition was doing a lot better than me. So when I was analyzing my sales every month, I realized, hey, why am I not selling things anymore? There's a time in your eBay business that you might experience things are not selling. I'm not making money. And what you want to do is look at your pictures, look at your descriptions, look at your listings. If your listings are appealing, if you saw this thing, your listing on eBay, would you want to buy it? And most of the time, the things that I were listing when I began my eBay journey was just, hey, let's just throw up a few pictures. Let's just be kind of crafty. Let's just get some things out there. Hey, I'm going to make money. But that's not the case. You have Amazon you're competing with. You have people that are professional resellers, people that are selling full time on eBay. So you have to treat this, like I said, as a business, but more importantly, take quality pictures. Have a space in your house, have a space in your office that you can take pictures, that you can spend time building this business, because the more time, like I said, that you put in, the more creative, more crafty, and more professional your listings look, the more money that you're going to make selling on eBay. Now, the fourth mistake that I made came down to overpaying for inventory. Now, I would say this is a reflection of me trying to have a big ego of making money online. So I figured, hey, it doesn't matter how much I buy something for, because if it makes me some profit, then I'm going to be happy. I sold something, I made money on the internet. How can I go wrong? But the problem was I was losing money with this strategy, from the calculated shipping, from the time, from everything that I was putting into this business. At the end of the day, with the fees, I was losing money on things that I was selling on eBay. Now, I blame myself for this because I just wanted to sell things on eBay. I didn't have a set price. Now, what I would say is that when you're trying to sell something on eBay, it sure does feel good when you can fulfill, make money on eBay, have a minimum profit line. So basically, if I picked up something for $10, it's going to sell for $4, I'm going to make $6 profit after fees, all that. But that wasn't enough. What I did that helped me grow on my eBay store and allowed me to make more money on eBay is to say, hey, I'm not going to buy this item. I'm not going to try to flip this item if it's not going to make me $10 to $15. So you're going to do a lot of work up front. You're going to spend time listing these things. Imagine if you did all this work and it didn't make you money. So what I'd say I wish I did was, understand how much things cost, as well as factor in the fees. And more importantly, don't get caught up in just selling things on eBay just to sell things. There's no point of selling things on eBay if you're not going to make money. No business is in the business of losing money when they sell a product. So keep this in mind. It was a very, very important lesson that I learned, and more importantly, a huge mistake when I began selling on eBay. And lastly, the fifth mistake that I made was not tracking sales, not tracking profit, not keeping clean records on how much I was actually making on eBay. Because you think, hey, I'm making money, I'm selling things, but actually, are you keeping track of your expenses? I was traveling to thrift stores, I was spending money on supplies, yet I had money coming in from the business. I didn't realize actually how much I was spending to make money on eBay. And what I would say I learned from this mistake was not spending enough time on the back end of the business. The nitty gritty, the not so fun stuff. Who wants to keep track of inventory, have to do accounting stuff? That all stuff is not exciting, but that's probably one of the most fundamental and most important things about selling on eBay. Now, depending on your strategy, you might just want to make a quick buck selling on eBay, but what allowed me to grow was learning from this mistake. Once I understood how much money I was spending, I was more strategic with what I was buying, as well as I wanted to have certain profits that I was going to hit every week, every month, to allow myself to grow and make money on eBay. So guys, I hope this video gave you a little clarity, a little context on what I did wrong when I first started selling on eBay. Now, eBay is a powerful platform. I believe anyone can make money selling online using eBay. So go out there, and if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure to hit me up. Let me know what you guys think, as well as how can I help you and how can I help you grow your eBay or whatever you have in your life. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, love you guys so much, and I'll see you probably tomorrow in the next video. Be safe, have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.